I'm Josh Capon. We're here at Little Maven with Johnny Prime, one of my favorite people in the entire industry. The guy knows good food and knows what to do with it.
Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. It is the cake dealer's birthday, and I'm also going to try out my friend's new restaurant called Little Maven. Little Maven is a American restaurant, but it's got a little bit of a twist on the menu items. From what I could tell, everything looks like it's a little bit pushed into like the next level. My friend who runs the joint, his name is Josh Capon. He's a little bit of a celebrity. If you watch like Food Network and some other shows like TV channels, he's always on there. He's a character. He's a great dude. He's super successful. He used to be the head man in charge over at Bowery Meat Company, one of my favorite restaurants in the city. Just launched a NFT membership only restaurant with Gary V, big time guy. And he's also opening up a burger joint in Vegas. So Capon is super successful, really highly skilled chef, one of the best guys I know in the business. So I'm really excited to get out there and try some of his food and show you guys what this dude is all about. So this place is on 18th Street between 5th and 6th Avenues. I guess it's kind of like somewhere in between Union Square and Flatiron areas. So I'm just coming up on Union Square now. And what I'll do is I'll cruise over to 6th Avenue and take a right. And then once I get up to 18th, take a right on 18th, and the restaurant should be right on my right. So he technically opened this place, I want to say late November. So he's really been only open a month and a half. The pictures I've seen so far, everything looks really beautiful. The menu looks delicious. All right, just turned up on 6th Ave. All right, taking this right on 18th Street, a little bit of traffic. And I think this place is gonna be immediately on the right. There it is, LMNY, Little Maven, New York. All right, I'm gonna lock this up right here. See you guys on the inside.
Let's go!
Hey, you beat me. Cheers, baby.
That's good. Got a little fizz to it.
I'm Josh Capon. We're here at Little Maven with Johnny Prime, one of my favorite people in the entire industry. The guy knows good food and knows what to do with it. Just opened up about a month ago. We are a very friendly, accessible, approachable restaurant, serving great food, great people, with good times.
Great cocktails too, I might
Great
add.
Cocktails, by the way. I did forget. Great cocktails, great bar. Look at that. That bar is packed over there.
Beautiful.
It's Friday night. Everybody's coming down to the Maven having a good time. Because cheers to the freaking weekend. Everybody, the black bag is from Montauk, by the way.
Whipped tahini, grilled bread, crunchy veg, tuna cannolis with avocado mousse. Very pretty. Caesar salad cups.
You asked me about
Okay.
Got it?
I don't know. One of them is.
Broiled oysters. These were always so good at his other restaurant. I'm sure they're going to be perfect here too. The drip.
Oyster with breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese.
Wow. Sizzler octopus. Beautiful.
secret I don't do. Put a lot of zest. You cure the legs?
No, I don't.
Cure the legs with some salt, sugar, and a whole bunch of spices. And then take like orange, lemon zest, all kinds of zest. Yeah, baby, duck confit.
We're getting the secrets.
Maven, let's go. Teach you how to make a good duck confit over here. It's all about the citrus to light up the fat.
There you go. Smart.
Yeah, a lot of.
So these are your favorites?
These are definitely my two favorite entrees for sure.
Looks perfectly cooked.
Little
Nice.
dry roasted duck breasts, and roasted pears, and turnips, black sea bass, Thai green curry,
Wow.
sticky rice cake, fresh
I heard you
salad.
say these are from Long Island?
Yeah, Montauk. Black
Very
rice coming
nice.
from Montauk right now. Over at Sam
Local.
Goldfish.
Miso chocolate chip cookie. Interesting. Get that little salt flake on there. Ooh, nice tea.
Fresh.
Espresso. Thank you.
Welcome.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Happy birthday from Little Maven.
Wow. Strawberry stuffed brittle.
It's raspberry stuff.
Wow. Oh, raspberries? Wow. 4 different ice creams. Brulee banana, caramel, peanuts. Wow.
Wow. Okay. That place was incredible. I gotta say, of all the starters we had a bunch of little appetizers. Octopus, oysters. His oysters are always great, by the way. Does a nice broiled oyster. But honestly, the favorite thing that I've had from his starters was the those little cannolis, those tuna tartare cannolis. They were incredible. They were like fried on the outside, crispy nori, which is the seaweed paper. The pasta was really great. We did like a ravioli with confit duck and mushrooms. That was nice. But the main courses were out of this world. I should also say the octopus was super tender. One of the most tender octopus preparations I've had. But speaking of tenderness, that dry aged duck was lights out. I don't think I've ever had a better duck dish. It's a little bit different. It's not traditional like with the crispy skin, but man, I was like blown away by how tender, juicy, and flavorful that was. The real sleeper though was the black bass. It was steamed but seasoned all the way through, served with a Thai curry and a really nice bright herb salad with green beans. And you kind of toss the herb salad with the green Thai chili to give that heat into the mix, and it was unbelievable. So good, man. I rarely get amped up over seafood dishes, but this was incredible. So I highly recommend this joint. Get over there, check it out. Tell them Johnny Prime sent you. Let's go! What is up with this traffic? But you know, we did it. Around the hood in 8 minutes. Happy birthday to the cake dealer. Yo! And Little Maven. Around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.